to wander, we both like to prowl. You're out when the moon is full and I when it sets. There are some things in this life that I regret. I regret the night jasmines that bloom when I'm asleep. I regret the secrets that only night can keep. I regret the endless pathways that meander into blue. But there's one thing I don't regret, and that is loving you. There is one thing I don't regret.